Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. It's your 11th video lesson of computer subject, and today we will revise another topic from the final term. Today we will revise the chapter Future of Technology. With the passage of time, technology is changing so rapidly that hardly any human activity will be possible in the coming years without the use of computers. So, in this chapter, we will revise some of the technologies that will play important roles in the coming years. Here are the contents of today's lesson: robots, wireless communication, personal area networks, PAN, satellite communication, GPS, global positioning system, and at the end of this lesson we have an activity. Robots. A robot is a machine that can be controlled by a computer to perform actions that are similar to those of living things. Some robots shaped like animals and humans. They can walk, talk, and carry objects. Why do we need robots to act like humans? There are several reasons. There are some types of work that are very dangerous, like carrying heavy loads. By using robots for these tasks, we can avoid injury to humans. Some jobs are monotonous or boring, like placing lids of thousands of jars in a factory. By using robots for doing monotonous tasks, we can assign more interesting tasks to human beings. They are used in manufacturing, CAD, computer aided design, CAM, computer aided manufacturing, in science field and medicine, yani medical field, and then nanotechnology field and entertainment, AGVs, automated guided vehicles. They all are well functioned robots. Robots are accurate and efficient because they are working according to your instructions or as they programmed, but can dominate over human jobs because robots are placing humans in their jobs. Wireless communication. Wireless communication enables computers to communicate with each other without using cables. A computer can be connected to the internet when it enters the range of a wireless network that is connected to the internet. Wireless access point is a device that connects a wide network to a wireless network. As we already discussed in our classroom, that when you are into the range of the wireless communication, the access point can connect you to the network. Wireless communication provides freedom and ease of communication. In a sense, it provides the same level of freedom that cellular phones introduced compared with the fixed landlines. Here we have some various forms of wireless communication as well. Actually, they are the technology or delivery methods: satellite communication, mobile communication, infrared communication, Bluetooth communication, and then wireless network communication. At the right side of your screen, you can see the wireless communication network: DSL cable modem, wireless router, then you have computer equipped with network adapter, notebook equipped with the wireless, and then you have computer equipped with wireless adapter. It means when you are in the access point, the various devices you used can easily access the wireless communication. Personal area network, PANs. It is a small network which is created by yourself, like it consists of 8 to 9 devices. Special wireless technology enables devices connected in a personal area network to share data files by using radio waves. A device in a PAN can connect to multiple devices at the same time. It is important for the device to be close to each other for data to be shared among them. Cables are not needed to connect devices in personal area network. Simply, devices can connect by being within the range of radio signals. The example of personal area networks are the simply Bluetooth, hotspot, airdrop, and the different various applications we used to create personal area network like ShareIt, Sender, and many more. Satellite communication. A satellite is a body that travels in a circular path around another body. It helps to create across large distances by orbiting the Earth and receiving signal from ground stations on the Earth. The satellite then sends the signals to the another ground station on the Earth located far away from the first ground station. The satellite can do this easily because it is located high up in the space. Satellite communication is a modern technology that has helped in the growth of wireless communication. Here we have the different kinds of satellites according to the uses of these satellites in different fields. Astronomy satellites. Astronomy satellites are used by scientists to monitor meteors, comets, and other objects that might strike the Earth. Communication satellites. Communication satellites are used to send signals across very large distance on Earth for communication. Weather satellites. Weather satellites help people to observe weather phenomena on the regular basis. The forecasting of weather is monitored by the weather satellites. Navigation satellites. Navigation satellites use time and distance to measure the location of a point. Space exploration satellites. Space exploration satellites investigate things happening deep in outer space, like black hole and other galaxies we have. Here you have a picture at the right side of your screen. How can satellite interact with the different devices on the ground station? Global Positioning System, GPS. It is totally the satellite based technology. GPS consists of 32 satellites orbiting the Earth that send signals to a control station on Earth. GPS provides information about time and location of people. Mobile phones that common with GPS technology enable people to receive exact information about their location and communication at the same time. A GPS device installed in a vehicle helps the driver to plan the best route for journey. It also helps to locate a car if it gets lost or stolen. GPS devices uses the information sent by satellite to plot its exact location on map. Navigation, making maps, business and military uses. It is used in different fields according to the requirements of the fields. A GPS enabled tracker can be attached to laptops, luggage, children or pets to locate them if they get lost. Military uses the GPS technology for their secret or special type of missions. GPS enables trackers are the applications of GPS technology. So it is also used in different fields according to the requirements of the fields. And then at the end of this lesson we have activity. Read page number 135 till page number 144. Do revise your copy work and notes जो हमने क्लास में किए थे. Solve the worksheet correctly and do send it back to me for grading. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Time.